Kugoo S1 Pro. 350 watts, 7.5 amp hour battery, 8-inch solid honeycomb tires, top speed up to 30 kilometers per hour, with a range of up to 30 kilometers, a front and rear suspension, all in an ultra-portable 26-pound package. I picked mine up from geekbuying.com for about $326 US. I am 6 foot tall and I weigh about 210 pounds. So I will be providing a heavy rider's perspective on the scooter. I have made some small modifications to the scooter. I've done some water sealing and some suspension adjustments that I plan to show more in detail in a later video. Once I reach 100 kilometers on the scooter, that's when I'll do the unboxing video and initial owner report / review. I want to make sure that I've had enough time on it to really have a good feeling for the scooter and really test it under as many different scenarios and road surface types and whatnot as I possibly can. That's it for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you when I see you.